we got a question here from user who wants to know phi of n for phi of 77 and phi of 751. So the trick to this is there's a nice formula that's kind of easy to write. So phi of n is equal to n times the product of the primes dividing n, 1 minus 1 over p. I think this is a nice formula to know, but the easier one, in my opinion, to use is we say let n equal p1 to the e1, p2 to the e2, and then we just take that out to pk to the ek. And then phi of n, you take each prime, so p1, and you subtract 1, and you multiply by p1 to its original power minus 1. And you just keep doing that for each of these primes. So p2 minus 1 times p2 to the e2 minus 1 out to pk minus 1 times pk to the ek minus 1. All right, so what does that mean for us? So if n equals 77, this is 7 times 11. And now we can see we have 2 primes here, and we're just going to subtract 1 from each of them and multiply again to get phi of n. Phi of 77 should be 7 minus 1 times 11 minus 1, and that should be 6 times 10, or 60. All right, and then phi of 751, you can check that 751 is prime. And so this is the easiest thing in the world. Phi of 751 is 750. Because it's just, you take, it's just p1 to the 1, where p1 is 751. And to check that it's prime, I don't know, you have a various primality tests that you can use. You can use, for example, the Miller-Rabin or Miller-Rabin or whatever test, and that will tell you that it is almost certainly prime if you check for a couple of them. All right, well, have a good day.